By 2030, India will be a global drone manufacturing hub. The industry is projected to grow from 0.1 billion rupees to over 23 billion rupees. That's not a typo. And right now, in December 2025, there are thousands of positions waiting for engineers like you. While your friends scramble for traditional software jobs at 4 to 6 lakh per annum, you could be designing combat drones, programming autonomous systems, or building India's defense backbone, earning 8 to 15 lakh per annum as a fresher, scaling up to 50 plus lakh per annum within 5 to 7 years. I'm talking about India's drone and UAV revolution, and in the next 20 minutes, I'll show you exactly how to grab your piece of this 23 billion rupee pie. Hi, I am Shri, and you are watching Bharat Careers 2047. In this video, we dive deep into the job opportunities opening up in drone and UAV sector for civilian and military use. Do comment, like, share, and subscribe to Bharat Careers 2047. Let me hit you with some numbers that will make you sit up straight. The market reality. First, the big picture. India is acquiring 31 MQ-9B Predator drones from the United States for 32,350 crore rupees. That's just one deal. The Indian Armed Forces plan to acquire over 670 unmanned systems in the next 15 years. But here's where it gets really interesting for your career. Military drone programs. India is developing its own high-altitude, long-endurance or HAIL drones. These are combat platforms that can fly at 30,000 plus feet for 36 plus hours straight, carrying missiles and surveillance equipment. The programs include Rustam-2/TEPS, Medium Altitude Long Endurance UAV, Archer-NG, weaponized mail drone with 300 kg payload capacity, indigenous HAIL program with General Atomics technology transfer. The major players. Who's building these? This is where your jobs will come from. In the government sector, DRDO's Aeronautical Development Establishment, ADE, Bangalore, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, HAL, Bangalore, Bharat Electronics Limited, BEL, multiple locations. In the private sector, IdeaForge, India's #1 defense drone manufacturer, Mumbai, Garuda Aerospace, 200 plus locations across India, Chennai headquarters. IG Drones, Gurugram, partnering with Indian Army. Daksha Unmanned Systems, Chennai, Coromandel Group backed. Marut Drones, Hyderabad, $6.2 million, Series A funded. Asteria Aerospace, Bangalore, 10 plus years in business. Apart from military use, all companies also have drone and UAVs for civilian use, logistics and operations too. Drone sector is seeking international collaborations too. This is huge for job potential. Major partnerships happening right now. 1. L&T plus General Atomics, manufacturing 87 mail drones in India. 2. Adani plus Elbit Systems, Israel, producing Hermes 900 drones in Hyderabad. 3. Skydio, USA, plus AeroArc, joint manufacturing for defense. 4. Israeli defense companies, moving manufacturing to India, UAV missiles, loitering munitions. 5. French collaborations, counter-drone systems, and military exercises. The Government Production Linked Incentive PLI scheme. Goldmine. The Indian government has announced a PLI scheme for drones and unmanned aerial vehicles, UAV. Government's Production Linked Incentive. Current outlay 120 crore rupees over 3 years. Proposed PLI 2.0. 3,000 crore rupees expansion. 20% incentive on value addition, part in India. Creating thousands of manufacturing jobs. This means more companies equals more hiring equals more opportunities for you. Let's talk about how to prepare yourself. What do companies actually want? Educational qualifications most sought after. 1. BTech BA in Aeronautical Engineering, top choice for drone design. 2. BTech in Electronics and Communication for avionics and embedded systems. 3. BTech in Mechanical Engineering, Structural Design and Propulsion. 4. BTech in Electrical Engineering, Control Systems and Power. 5. BTech in Computer Science, AI, Software, Autonomous Systems. 6. BTech in Mechatronics, Robotics, perfect blend for UAVs. Added advantage, MTech in relevant specializations gets you 20 to 30% higher starting salary. Diploma in drone technology for pilot and technician roles. Critical certifications. 1. DGCA Remote Pilot Certificate, essential for any flying operations. Duration 2 to 4 weeks. Cost 50,000 to 1 lakh rupees. Top are PTO, Garuda Aerospace, IID, Indian Institute of Drones, various DGCA approved centers. 2. Drone Manufacturing PLI scheme registration if you're starting your own company. 3. Software certifications, ROS, Robot Operating System, MATLAB/Simulink for control systems, SolidWorks/CATIA for design, TensorFlow/PyTorch for AAE. Skill Development Roadmap for hardware engineers, master CAD software, SolidWorks, CATIA, Fusion 360. Learn aerodynamics fundamentals, study structural mechanics and materials, practice flight dynamics and control theory. Get hands-on with 3D printing and prototyping. For software engineers, programming, C/C++, Python, must have. Study control algorithms, PID, MPC. Learn ROS, Robot Operating System. Computer vision, libraries, OpenCV. Sensor fusion and Kalman filtering. Communication protocols, MAV Link for AI/ML engineers. Deep learning frameworks, TensorFlow, PyTorch. Computer vision, YOLO, RCNN for object detection. Path planning algorithms, reinforcement learning, edge AI deployment. Build your portfolio. This is crucial. Don't just study, build one. DIY drone project, build a quadcopter from scratch. 2. GitHub repository, showcase your code. 3. Research paper, publish on drone related topics. 4. Competition participation, Mehar Baba Swarm. Drone competition, Indian Air Force. IDEX challenges, hackathons. Where to learn these courses? Online courses, Udemy, Drone Programming, Primer, Coursera, Robotics Specialization by UPenn, edX, Autonomous Mobile Robots by ETH Zurich, YouTube, Indian Drone Channels, Technical Tutorials, Institutes offering drone courses, IIT Bombay, Drone Technology Workshops, IIT Kanpur, UAV courses, BITS, Pilani, Drone Research Labs, various private training institutes. Here's the deal. The drone industry is not waiting for you to be ready. Companies are hiring right now. The 32,350 crore MQ9 deal is signed. L&T is building factories. Adani Elbit is producing Hermes 900s in Hyderabad. IG Drones just won contracts with the Indian Army. In traditional software development, you're competing with 10 lakh plus engineering graduates every year. In drones, you're competing with maybe 5,000 to 10,000 seriously skilled candidates for 2,000 to 3,000 positions. The odds are in your favor. But here's what you need to understand. This window won't last forever. By 2027 to 2028, when everyone figures out how lucrative this sector is, competition will intensify. Right now, in December 2025, you have a first mover advantage. So here's my challenge to you. 6 months from today, when you look back, will you have your DGCA certificate, 2 drone projects on GitHub, applications sent to 15 companies, or will you still be planning to start? The Indian drone industry is projected to hit 23 billion rupees by 2030. That's just 5 years away. The jobs are being created right now. The companies are hiring right now. Your friend who starts today will be earning 15 to 20 lakh rupees per annum in 3 years, while others are stuck at 6 to 8 lakh rupees per annum in regular software jobs. The math is simple. Traditional software job, 4 to 6 lakh per annum starting, 8 to 12 lakh per annum in 3 years. Drone industry, 8 to 12 lakh per annum starting, 18 to 30 lakh per annum in 3 years. That's a difference of 10 to 18 lakh rupees per year. Over a 10-year career, that's 1 to 2 crore rupees difference in earnings. Key locations to remember: Bangalore, DRDO ADE HAL, Asteria; Hyderabad, Adani Elbit, Marut, Daksha; Chennai, multiple defense contractors; Gurugram, IG Drones, Tech Eagle; Mumbai, IdeaForge, Paras Aerospace; Pune, growing ecosystem. Top companies to target: 1. IdeaForge, defense leader; 2. Garuda Aerospace, massive scale; 3. Adani Elbit, Israeli tech; 4. L&T General Atomics, USA collaboration; 5. IG Drones, AI and 5G; 6. BEL, government stability; 7. HAL, prestigious; 8. DRDO ADE, research powerhouse. Remember, every single major defense drone project in India needs engineers. The MQ9 deal alone needs 200 plus engineers for maintenance and operations. The indigenous HAL program needs 500 plus engineers. L&T's 87 drone manufacturing needs 1000 plus engineers. Time to act is now. This is your opportunity. India is building its drone future. Be part of it. If you found this valuable, like this video. Subscribe to Bharat Careers 2047 for more high-paying career alternatives. Drop a comment telling me which company you're targeting. And remember, while others dream, builders succeed. See you in the next one. Hope you liked this episode of Bharat Careers 2047. Do comment, like, share and subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for more exciting episodes ahead.